Just 48 hours before his official inauguration as the next president for the United States, we've got Donald Trump launching his own meme coin called Trump on Solana, which has seen a valuation of $5 billion in less than 24 hours. And on top of that, the launch of the meme coin itself has sent Solana to brand new all-time highs. So what does this mean for the kickoff of altcoin season in Cardano specifically? Well, as a part of today's video, I want to break that down. Let's jump on in. What's up, Ida Gang? Welcome to Dapp Central, your home for everything blockchain and crypto. I'm your host here for a read. As a part of today's video, we're diving into Trump's brand new meme coin, which he's just launched on Solana, which has also actually helped Solana to break into new all-time highs. And then, of course, we're talking about Cardano. We've got updates as it pertains to the Plowman upgrade. There's also a 45,000 ADA giveaway, which I'll be breaking down coming in from Tap Tools. And then last but not least, I want to break down some highly anticipated news when it comes to stable coins here with USDM, hopefully bringing on board retail minting and burning very soon. As always, if it's your first time stopping by, my goal is to help you find your footing here within the Cardano and Bitcoin ecosystems. If you appreciate content like this, please smash that thumbs up on the way in. If it's your first time stopping by, consider subscribing to the channel for more. And last but not least, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave those down below. Now, I am a stake pool operator contributing to the Dapp Central stake pools, both of them sharing the ticker DAPP. As always, consider delegating if you'd like to show support. As always, I do appreciate it. Without any further ado, let's jump on in here first. We've got the chances of Bitcoin reserves actually taking place in the US sharply rising to 65%. Now, I broke this down yesterday, and I talked about the fact that Donald Trump is basically getting ready to put together, or at least sign some sort of executive order to make crypto a priority here within the USA. In addition to that, we've seen two of the biggest prediction market platforms where the odds are now in favor of Bitcoin hitting a brand new all-time high in 2025, as well as Ethereum making a brand new all-time high in 2025. So we're starting to see more and more bullish sentiment around the crypto space. And on top of that, just yesterday, we saw millionaires being made with Donald Trump launching his first official meme coin. Let me know what you guys think down below. This gentleman is about to be inaugurated in 2 days or in 48 hours, and he's just launched a meme coin. Imagine Joe Biden launching a meme coin. Imagine Barack Obama, George Bush, all of these prior presidents. Do you think that they could have gotten away with something such as this? I don't think so. But I think that with Trump, he's sort of gained the reputation that he's willing to do anything. And he definitely knows that crypto is in right now. And he's taken full advantage of that fact and the fact that he's about to be the US president. So again, let me know whether you agree with this or not. I'm going to break down and we'll take a look at the charts here where, the token launched at like 10 or 15 cents and it's currently trading at nearly $30. So again, a lot of people obviously made some big gains here, but there's some particular concerns as it pertains to the tokenomics and exactly what the public allocation is, which I'll also jump into. And so again, this guy is definitely taking advantage of the market. If you've missed it, he's also launched his own NFT collection. But looking here at the actual allocation of tokens, it states that there's currently 200 million Trump tokens available on day one, and that value will grow 5x to a billion Trump tokens over 3 years. And so we've got the public distribution currently set at 100 million. And then there's a creator and CIC digital allocation, which is broken down in a couple of pieces there. But there's a majority which has not yet been unlocked. And so do keep that in mind there. Be careful. Yes, the token has pumped. A lot of people are euphoric about it, but there will be new demand, or at least new supply, coming into the markets, therefore potentially reducing the existing value. If we take a look at the charts here, again, this launched literally no more than about 18 hours ago. And if you were able to get in at the very early beginning, right, which of course the majority of people aren't able to, you would be up right now, roughly 4,000%. Now, this alone has sent Solana's price to a brand new all-time high. Again, as you can see there, I think this is the very early telltale signs of the altcoin season officially kicking off. We've had XRP leading the rally first, breaking into new all-time highs. There's talks about them having their own ETF. Solana also getting their own ETF. But this particular launch alone, right, with Trump's token, where there's now over 500,000 holders in less than 24 hours, has taken the price of Solana to brand new all-time highs. Again, looking at it here, it is up roughly 15 or so percent in the last 24 hours. And you could see that this spike, or at least the very early beginning of the rally, was at the exact time that the Trump token had actually launched. So let me know what you guys think down below. Now, taking a look here, in terms of Cardano, we are at a very, very key and a very crucial point here. If I jump back into the charts, what you'll notice here, we've broken out, of this bull flag. And right now we're sort of back testing, which is something that we discussed in one of my prior videos. So let me go ahead and share my screen here one more time. And so if you take a look here, we've got the bull flag, excuse all the drawings there, but we've officially broken out. And I'll actually put this on the daily, it might be a little bit easier to tell there. There we go. And we've broken out and we're now retesting this $1.06 sort of level here, which is the top side of the flag. And so at this point, we're expecting some sort of rebound and continuation on, right, for ADA back up into this $1.23 to $1.30 range. And if we're able to find any sort of resistance or any sort of support, above $1.30, I think it's going to be green rockets coming in here for the Cardano ecosystem. So that'll do it there for the macro updates. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, I do appreciate it. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoy content like this. And of course, consider subscribing and delegating to the Dapp Central stake pools. Now let's talk about Cardano updates specifically with the hard fork or the Plowman upgrade, where I mentioned yesterday, we needed 50% or the majority to vote from the SPO perspective. That has now been met. And we now have IOG and the Cardano Japan Council voting yes in favor for the hard fork. So who else could we expect to get yeses from? Hopefully soon it's Emergo, Intersect, in the foundation. But as we get more and more yeses, that will bring us closer to the official ratification and the kickoff for full governance, where we're going to see SIP number 1694 coming into full effect here anytime towards the end of January. So a massive upgrade coming in here for Cardano. Next, we've got the fact that Andrew Westberg, the Chief Technical Officer for USDM, the fiat-backed stablecoin here on Cardano, which currently has roughly around $8 million worth of their stablecoin minted on chain, has now mentioned that they're making great progress on retail minting and burning. So again, if you aren't aware, if you're a business, you can undergo the KYC process or the KYB process in order to get the permission to mint and burn. And we've seen a lot of minting and burning already, but retail or the average Joe has not been able to go ahead and actually mint or burn just yet. So we're anticipating that here, and we've got a nice little screenshot or preview, right, of the user interface for minting and burning. So again, kudos to that particular team, and really excited to see exactly what's going to be coming out here in the next couple of weeks. Now, last but not least, we've got Tap Tools giving away 45,000 ADA for what they call their Tap Tools API hackathon. So if you're a builder or if you're a developer, right, and you're able to build using innovative solutions that use their API, which gives you pricing data, token data, and listing information, you stand the chance to win in first place 20,000 ADA, second place 15,000 ADA, in third place 10,000 ADA. So I'll leave the link to this down below for any developers that are within the Cardano ecosystem that want to put their skills to the test, that want to innovate and push the space forward. This is definitely an opportunity for you to shine. That will bring me to the end here for today's video. As always, if you found this to be informational or helpful, smash that thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. If it's your first time stopping by, consider subscribing. If you don't agree with anything I said, or you just want to leave your opinion down below, leave a comment down there. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, everybody. Cheers.